Hey everybody, it's me, Tammy from Tammy's Unique Treasures. I've got another box for you. This one's going to be kind of quick because we're waiting on some pending weather. We live in Florida, so if you see the news, there's a hurricane down south of us. So this is uninspected returns, 60 items, $121.54 all in, $2.03 each. I'm not sure what I saw in the manifest that I had to have, but we'll see. Just so you know, it's from Bulq. Bulq.com, and they've got some great stuff, but let's get this going so I can do it before the rain comes. I can tell you it's super heavy. Well, I can tell you there's quite a few items in here. 60, huh? We're gonna have to get this going here. We're gonna start with these because I have 1, 2, 3, excuse the dog. It's the foldable cubes. These are actually really nice. Obviously they came from Target. It's actually nice. I can leave that just set up just like that. What else we got in here? It's ugly. That looks nasty. It's got dirty somewhere along the lines, but it's a Cloud Island blanket. I actually may just keep that. I've got two little granddaughters. I also have a bigger granddaughter, but I might keep that. That's really nice. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. I'm sure it goes to something else, so we'll just leave it. This is a Wave waterfront seat protector. Looks like it's been opened and they just put it back together with a rubber band. This is a Wags to Wear piggyback face fronting. It's a baby holder of some sort. To check it out, it's obviously been opened. Okay, you can't see it, but it is Lloyd from Legos. It's a costume. It's actually a Ninjago Lloyd Halloween costume. It's got a $30 price tag. It's an adult size. These little cubes are going to come in handy. So I've got a SpongeBob Smelly Pants little container. These are little Nerf type balls for the gun. I don't know that they probably go in here. The Nerf Rival Precision Battling Rounds. So that's what was in that little plastic bag. Na surprise. It looks like it was a part of something else. It's a guess it was a piece of something else, but it's like a little purse with a doll. Actually, it looks like quite a bit of the, be cute. I mean, what's already there, you know. I paid $2.03. I'm sure the little doll's worth $2. Got Beauty Bling Lip Balm Set, More Than Magic. The box is destroyed. A definitely broken Boots and Barkley. It's a retractable leash. I'm pretty sure that I've got somebody here that'll fix that for me. A sprinkler. A Gilmore sprinkler. All the parts look to be there. Yeah, all the parts are there. It's just been opened. A partial pack of pens. A destroyed box of Band-Aids. Certain Dry, prescription strength, clinical antiperspirant. The box has been retaped. I'll check to see if it's new. Everybody, I've got like 23 people in my family. Somebody probably uses this. Eyebrow pencil. Garnier Skin Active Water Rose Moisture Cream. Again, the box has been taped, so we'll have to look at that. Some splash balls. Sun Zero curtain. If you get a bulk box with any unknowns, you're going to get a curtain. Pro Magnetic eyeliner and lash system. Oh no, they're in there. Eyelashes are in there. The box is just really destroyed. A automatic magnetic closure. It's for a phone. It's a waterproof case for a phone. Pillow Soft Curls, the best darn super soft styling lotion. Miss Jessie's. I don't know anything about hair, so this is the Twinkle Stardust iPhone XS Max case. I already have one of these. Oh, some more cubes. These are different size. I'm actually super excited about these. I have a playroom here for my grandchildren, and they can always use things like that. Some sponges. I do storage units, so these sponges will come in handy. There's another package of sponges. Again, those will stay. Oh, sweet. Have you seen my dinosaur? Oh, I actually haven't seen this. It's a Dr. Seuss book. I actually haven't seen that one before, or recently. It's actually really nice. Some highlighters. Shea Velvet Body Butter with instructions on how to use it. Type A deodorant with sweat activated technology. This is a very large eraser. A random connector cord. A random, whichever letter it is. Let's see if it says defective or not. Up and Up, single black, 902 extra large. I'll probably just send this to the recycling. I have a recycling place that takes in cartridges. That's probably where that'll go. Some Gillette refill razors. I'm going to say a curtain or something. I'm not going to open it. Some Sharpie markers. I use those all the time. Oh, well, here's the rest. Here's the rest of those pens. Sonic Fart Blaster. It's open. I'm assuming it's empty, and the people returned it. I'm not going to push it. I'll let my grandchildren push it to see. It's new. Package just package is damaged. Intuition razor. A couple more SpongeBob containers. Some JoJo Siwa bandages with a very destroyed package. Okay, let me just be honest with you. This is not a good one. Acne Deep Pore Cleansing Wash. They actually put an LP sticker on this piece of cardboard. Some more Band-Aids, which is actually, again, all the grandchildren, we can always use those. This is one of those lights that goes in a pumpkin so you don't have to put a candle. Holy mackerel, oh, I think it's a luggage tag. I was going to say that's a dog thing. It's not. I think it's a luggage tag. Nope, it says it's a dog collar. It's rubber. Okay, it's a dog collar. I don't know that it's a rubber collar on my dog, but maybe. Side window sunshade. Ballpoint pen. Oh, those are actually really nice. Alright, some more of those pens that go in that other package. Some random tissue paper, which is okay with me because I use it for packing eBay stuff. Some deodorant, spray deodorant. This one's a stick deodorant. These are glitter stickers. It's an empty roll of highlighter tape. and a bat poof. So you never know what you're going to get. That proves what we just saw. Of the 60 items, literally 14 of them I knew were coming. The rest of them were random, and I'm okay with that. I do storage units. I like to scratch a ticket, so I'm kind of a gambler. This was a gamble. I'll make my money back. That's not a big deal. But just doing some different boxes so that you can see what you might get. Anyway, I'll see you the next one. Bye.